It is a blessed morning. I want to thank God for life. Thank God for giving me strength this morning. Thank God for a beautiful day. Thank God for my heartbeat. Thank God for my blood flowing. Thank God for my kidneys and all other organs seem to be working fine this morning. And just grateful. Grateful this morning. Put it this way. See my face better on the other side. But that's okay. See up top, up top. I'm walking down. Butterflies is just on me. I'm walking down to the main road. Get me a taxi into town. Hopefully my client is picking up her alterations. Amen. Because God knows I need that. Please continue to pray for me, everyone. The days are getting better. The days are getting better. The days are getting better. Thank you, God.